Hola, 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 hi, welcome to my channel, Ruby Stedman. I'm very excited, you can tell by my voice. I received this package of yarn from Ice Yarn. This is a Turkey-based company. They contacted me a few weeks ago to see if I wanted to do a review on their yarn, and I say I would love to. I like to try different yarn from different places, so this is a good way to get some free yarn as well. So they send their yarn to over 125 countries around the world. I don't know exactly which country, because for that you'll have to go to their website and check to see if your country is in the list. And I'm gonna leave all the information of their website and of each ball of yarn that they send me, because they have a bin number and for each of their yarn. So that will be easier for you if you want to do a project like mine. You can find exactly the ball of yarn and they're very easy. You're just gonna press the link and we'll bring you to that particular yarn color. Okay, so I'm very excited. Let's open this yarn. The prices are amazing, even cheaper than the yarn that I buy at Michael's on sale. And I bring some tie coupon of 50% to Michael's, and this yarn is even cheaper than that. Okay, so let's see if the quality is as good. Oh my goodness, these yarn are so gorgeous. They're even more gorgeous than in the computer, and in the computer they look amazing. They're true to their color from the computer. This one is Cake Mohair, and the color is Lilac Shades Burgundy Camel. This one. I'm gonna find here their price. They are in USD. You can check in different currency. I have it here in USD. So this one, each ball is $3.99, and the pack of 2 is $7.99. This one is fine too. It's a Sport Baby. It's 20% mohair, 20% wool, 60% premium acrylic. And they have many other colors. Let me see if I can count how many colors they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shades of this. So they have a lot to choose from. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below of this one. And look at that. What you see in there is exactly the color of this yarn. This I love. I hardly can wait to knit something with this. This one is a blend of cotton and acrylic, 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, and they are 150 grams. These one are, I think, 150 grams too, and they have 810 meters. These one have 600 meters. So let me find the info of this one. This color is out of stock from what I can see in here, but they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, including this one, colors to choose of these. So they have a lot of color. This one, the shade is light pink, salmon, and black. So it's like a gradient color. This is for to do a crochet project and look amazing. So the price of this one for unit for one ball is $4.99. For the two of them is, I think it's $9.99 for these two items, I think. Let me see. Yeah, $9.99 for the pack of two. But you can order one if you like. It depends on your budget. For these ones, I love as well because I was looking forward to get a they're like a roving type of yarn. Couldn't find anything like this in Michael, and look at the color of this. Don't tell me that that's not gorgeous. I love this. This one is Rockstar color, pink shade, gray shade, and black. They are 50 grams, I think. This one. Let me find this one now. This one, each ball is $1.25. Where are you gonna find $1.25 ball of yarn that have merino wool in it? They have 19% merino wool, 19% acrylic, 62% polyester. 50 grams for ball, 115 meters for this. And like I said, $1.25 USD for this. It's cheaper even than a coffee. Probably with the price of a coffee, you can get 3 of these balls. So they have a lot of shade of these. Like I said, this one is pink, gray, and black shade, and I love that. That looks to me amazing. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 with this one. So 11 other color plus this one, 12. And they are new. In their website they say new. They have amazing color. This one is perfect for netting. So now this one, they look amazing as well. It's a pack of 8. And this one is Paris brown shade. Again, it's the same type of roving as the other one, but this one look a little more because they have more like a little halo like this. I don't know if you can see. The other one has as well, but this one have a little bit more. Probably is from the wool in it. Yeah, this one has 30% wool, but it's 30% wool, 40% acrylic, 30% metallic lurex, and it feels amazing. This for a top, it's gonna look amazing. So the price of this one is $1.37, $1.37 per unit, or $10.99 for 8. Amazing. A whole project for $10 or $11. So this one is brown shade, and they have, these ones are 50 grams, 125 meters each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shade with this one. They have green shade, purple green shade, and fuchsia. They have the burgundy shade. That burgundy shade is gorgeous. And they have blue and green shade, Paris green shade, blue shade, turquoise shade, brown, that is this one, and they have Paris khaki shade. They are gorgeous. All of them are absolutely gorgeous. I hardly can wait to start working with them. So all the information about their website and each one of these yarn I'm gonna leave in the description box below, just in case you decide that you want to try some of them. And let me tell you if they are as nice when you work with them as they feel right now. I'm gonna love them. I'll probably be ordering some more for myself. Well, these are for myself, but they send these ones for free for me to try. So, well, I hope you like this small video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you like any of my projects, share with friends and family, please. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.